the most flattering entrance, I must say, but c'est la vie. So my third startup was in the business of, which is my current business right now, is Goodman Lantern. We are a content marketing organization helping customers sell better and grow faster. Over the years, it's become more than just a content marketing business. We've become a consulting business, and we have actually grown rapidly over the last 8 years. And I must say, the business has always been about a big mission. We have these three unique things about us. We are a mission-based company where we empower women. Number two, we are a B2B focused company. And number three, we are really big on making sure that we actually add a lot of value by talking about niche subjects. And a niche opportunity for us has always been technology and manufacturing, very high-tech industries. That's what makes us really unique about our approach.